So what if I told you that losing money for sending cryptocurrency using a wrong wallet address or smart contract? For example, if you want to send money on BNB chain, you have to use a BNB smart address. But if you copy that of Ethereum, they will tell you, and which is the reality, that your money is gone for good. But if I tell you that that can become history, they will think that I'm lying. Today in a new series, I want to introduce to you Giant Wallet, the wallet of the future, being built in Africa, about to replace the big names. Because one of the biggest fear of every newbie while coming to the space is that sometimes they find it hard to navigate, and when they want to send funds, they may copy wrong wallet address from another chain to use to send from another chain, and they lose that money, and some go through trauma, and that is where their crypto journey stops. But today, Giant Wallet is doing it a different way, where if you place a wrong wallet address, there's a smart detection system that will tell you that this wallet address does not belong to this chain, and if you refuse and send, you may lose your funds. And that alone has solved that problem, because people will no longer send money to wrong chains again easily because of that smart detection. Even as long as you're educated and you have some certain level of literacy, if you use their wallet, you will be they easily know that what the action you're about to take is wrong because of the smart detection. And that has solved the issue of sending money to wrong addresses. And you know the greatest part, and the part that I like, is that they have a support system which big wallets do not have. If you want to get this into today in Trust Wallet or that wallet, you keep tagging them on Twitter and they may not even respond to you. But Giant Wallet has a support system where you can chat someone, you can call someone. That is already showing they care for their customer. And that is a wallet everyone should be using. If you have not used it, go to Play Store and download it. They have a helpline where you can call and someone will talk to you and help you. And the part that interests me the more, that many are not paying attention to and will bring adoption, is that if you send money to a wrong address, so at most times, and I've seen it, I'm not talking from speculation, if you're able to get access to the founder, which is he's always available on Twitter, if you chat him up, they will be able to track that fund back for you in a good period. I've seen them do it for multiple people. That means even if you send the phone to wrong address, it can be tracked, and this is how people have lost funds. That means maybe our funds would have been used or consumed by those wallets. Yes, that means if the developer can be able to track your funds and get it back, that means they might have been doing it, but you will not get to see the money because you are nobody and you cannot even cause any issue or even talk to them. So already these three factors alone can bring the biggest adoption to Giant Wallet, because it's doing things a different way. Having a helpline, a chat support where you can talk to somebody, already shows comfort and concern. The founder himself and the dev helping you to track your funds and return it if you send it to a wrong wallet address, and the smart feature that's about to come up alone is enough. And already now they are going to expand to AssetChain and other chains. So already AssetChain is doing more than 1,000 transactions a day, and already now they have hit over 290 something K in transaction volume. That is just on BSC, and they are just on BSC chain now. They have not even expanded. It's the next update that they'll expand to other chains. So imagine when they expand to other chains, we should be seeing close to 1 million transactions. Imagine Ethereum and other chains that are coming. Already they will increase transaction, and this is the first Web3 wallet to officially integrate AssetChain with its full functionality. And you know AssetChain is an evolving chain, it's a real world asset chain. If you don't know much about it, do well to come to my YouTube channel. I've made a video you can, or go to my Twitter handle until you get to know more about what AssetChain is doing. Already, once AssetChain evolve and explode, that glory is going to rub on Giant Wallet and going to rub on Giant Token. So these updates are refining the way things are being done and refining the way things are being seen. So you need to position yourself. Already, CoinMarketCap has, CMC has also given them access to verify their data so that the supply that has been born can be updated, and this will make it have real-time data of what is available in the total supply of the token and the one that has been born. That will help to build trust with investors. So if you have not positioned yourself, this is the right time to position yourself, because if you're a student of history, if you can go back and see how Trust Wallet brought liquidity because it made DeFi easy and brought liquidity to the BNB chain, you will position yourself, because definitely Giant Wallet is going to bring liquidity to the Giant token. And already the founder already said he's already talking with merchants, where if you use Giant token to buy something, you will get discounts. So imagine if that goes live, already there will be massive adoption. It's not just the token that will survive based on trade, it will be a token that will survive based on use case, where people will buy day to day for their daily activity. That will create natural volume, and once there is natural volume, investors will be interested. People will see that I will not just trade this token. There is a benefit attached to it, and people are naturally selfish. So once there is a benefit, who will not use it? The world will use it. Imagine buying cars, getting discount. Car that's supposed to 3 million, and they'll tell you 2.5 because you are using Giant token. Imagine that everybody will rush for it, and when there's rush, volume will come in, and the market will be flying haywire. So this is a time to position yourself and do not be on the sideline. They are building crazy and marketing. Like I always say, the next round may start in Africa. Don't be caught unaware. And I review news made by AS Daily. I review their news, and do well to follow AS Daily. I always review the news made by them. So if you have not followed the handle, follow it. They give global news update, African news update. Their handle you will not want to miss. And stay close to my YouTube channel and my Twitter handle. Catch you in the next video.